Good morning, my name is Mauricio Flores and I am from Team 2. We're going to present the topic of environmental impact in this integrative project. First of all, the environmental impact englobes a lot. The environmental impact englobes the deterioration of the ozone layer, englobes the deforestation, englobes the pollution of air, soil, and water, and all of this caused by the human action because of its factories, the excessive use of cars, etc. Since 1950, the environmental impact has gone to the rise. And if we don't stop, in 100 years, the life on Earth is not going to be possible. And we are making damage in the Earth, in the ozone layer. But this damage is returning to us. An example of it is that the ozone layer is disappearing because of the bad gases. And this ozone layer helps us because it helps to the sun. And if the ozone layer isn't there, we are going to suffer from skin cancer because of the direct rays, ultraviolet rays. Also, the deterioration of the North Pole and the South Pole. And then it is causing floats in the seas because of the ice that is incrementing the sea level. So we're going to present different causes and consequences of this phenomena and some researches that have been done by different universities of the world. And at the final of this, we're going to present some conclusions and some ways to stop this phenomenon. But in my opinion, the best way to stop this phenomena is stop using cars. Not all the cars, but for example, in Ciudad de Mexico, they restrict the use of cars per days. And we can start using more the bicycles or we can walk. Also, reduce the use of gases, for example, methane and some gases that the cars emit. And in that way, we can stop the deterioration of the human pollution and carry out the next generations.
As the topic we saw in this stage, we are going to present the environmental impact because this is a very interesting topic to us, and also because this topic involves so many interesting subtopics that are going to be analyzed later. An environment impact is defined as any change to the environment, whether adverse or beneficial, resulting from facilitated activities, products, or services. In other words, it is the effect that people action have on the environment. For example, when volatile organic compounds are released into the environment, the effect or impact is pollution in form of smog, in this case being negative. As a conclusion from integrative learning product and also from all the stage 4, I can say this is the most interesting stage we have seen in the semester because we are talking about footprint and environmental impact and pollution and all kind. And now those topics are from daily life because we are in a point where we have to protect what we have in the world. And especially from young people who will be more time here, it's important to protect. There is important for be learning about all this topic we have seen in this stage. And it's important to be learning about it since now until our death. And it's kind of sad, can't be having the class as normal life, but we are not in normal life. This is all I have to say. Thank you.
Theoretical framework. Antecedents. Recent studies in the Harvard University have shown the effects of a negative environmental impact since 1950 because of the human activity. One of the main problems of this phenomena is that the global warming is increasing each year because the emissions of factories, the constant use of cars, planes, trains, trucks, trailers by the population, and this global warming is making the sea level go to the rise, and it is estimated based on a study made in 2050 for the Cambridge University that if the global warming keeps going to the rise like now, in 2070 the sea level will increase more than 1,000 meters, and cities that are in the coast like Tampico, some cities of California, Veracruz, Miami are going to disappear.
theoretical basis. Based on the information we have found, we can deduce that if the environmental impact keeps going to the rise, the damage in 10 years it will be irreversible, and the life in Earth is going to start disappearing. Logically, we deduce that the principal factor of the reasons of the environmental impact is the human activities, because a proof of it is that the Earth was so clean without environmental impact when it was the Paleontologic